Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back. Day 70. It's day 2 of amplifying Chris Pappas for repping the rep, and he leads 89 of his colleagues in his letter to HHS to protect the home heating assistance program for low-income families. It's one of those things you probably don't know about unless it affects you. So I'm really glad he's bringing attention to it. And yes, a lot of these letters have had an impact. I hope this is one of them. Chris Deluzio and the Oversight Committee Dems followed the trend, "We did blank so you don't have to." Deluzio is getting my credit for this because he's the one who posted it everywhere. I love the idea. I wish it was a little more involved, but it's important to praise our reps for trying new things, especially when they're on the right track. And this is definitely on the right track. 3 days ago, Angie Craig announced she's holding her first in-person town hall of the term. And today, she announced she will also be holding in-person town halls in the 4 Minnesota Republican districts. Now we're starting to see electeds lean in who we wouldn't necessarily expect. That's momentum. Seth Magaziner went on WPRI's Newsmaker about a week ago, talked about a lot of things starting with Signalgate. While the interview is about a week old, he posted the Signalgate clip today. An important reminder that our Dem electeds are not letting this one go. Amy Klobuchar spoke with Broken Clock Brewery co-op founder Jeremy Matheson about how DT's massive tax increase will affect his business. We need to hear as many of these stories as possible, because not everyone will resonate with every person, but if there are enough of them, every single one of them will reach someone. Adam Schiff did an interview with Fresno Bee, promising to do everything in his power to protect California farmers from tariffs, even the ones who didn't vote for him, which is most of them. And in this article, I learned that Adam Schiff is the first California senator in 30 years on the Agriculture Committee. Most people think California is this blue bastion just of cities. Most of California is farmland. So the fact that we haven't had a senator on the Ag Committee is horrifying. And finally, Becca Ballant posted this wonderful video about how important yesterday was. If you're finding a way to diminish yesterday, which sadly some people are, watch this. And those are some of today's fighters. Common with a tractor. I hope you can hear in my tone why. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.